জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
How is that possible? I saw that lady myself. And then she walked away. Had she been from far away? How could she walk so much? Tell me.
This girl has lost it. There is no landlord here. Everybody stop wasting your time and go back to your work now.
Why are you not believing to what I'm saying? I really did see that lady. Trust me.
Okay, that's enough. Now, please calm down. Where did you see her?
At the temple in the jungle. There were a lot of oil lamps and she was ringing the bell as well. And
At the cursed temple? Who will light an oil lamp there? Nobody goes there. The temple's priest is dead. The doors of the temple have been closed. No. Talking to you is very risky. No.
nobody goes there. Nobody lights oil lamps. What was it then? What about that lady? I saw everything. Did I see something wrong?
Sister? Sister, come out! We will not let anyone say anything anymore and just leave. Sister!
Did you see that? Did you see? How everybody stands with their family at a time of misfortune. We have had a wrong impression of her all these days.
Kummu changed so much in one night. That's strange.
So, Nayan's mother, now that you're throwing around such big words, where will you take that disaster of a girl? Who will give her the shelter?
I think you're forgetting that. With the grace of the Lord, the entire world isn't owned by you. In such a huge world, I'm sure I'll find one good person somewhere. Some good people will definitely be there. People who will accept my Nayan. I have been worshipping Lord for so many years now. I am sure Lord will do well for my Nayan.
How dare you? How dare you, Nayan's mother? You insulted me? What is all this? You are arguing with her?
I did not try to insult you. I just said the truth. All these years, I was attached to my house. Hence, I couldn't speak the truth. I am not attached anymore.
Get out of here. Get out of this village right now, all of you. Everyone, call Nayan. I will be at peace only when I see her leaving this place.
Yes.
Call Nayan. Yes, call her. Call her.
Nayan! Come out, Nayan. We have to leave now.
Father, I hope her fever didn't get worse.
Will you tell me what happened, Nayan's mother? Why she locked the door when it's time for her to leave? I am warning you. I will only give you a little more time. If she doesn't come out, then I will drag her out of her room. I don't care about her fever or health in general. Keep that in mind.
I will look into it. Sister? Mother? I think sister ran away. Nayan has left! Nayan left! Hail Lord! Hail the Lord!
Hail the Lord. Hail the Lord. Whatever the Lord does is always in everybody's best interest. Our village is purified now. Nayan's venomous sayings won't ruin lives anymore.
Mom, listen, it's our first day. We have to fix this. I can't be late. I'm already late. I'll eat something on the way.
You won't leave the house without eating, Deepu. It's a long distance. I won't let you go on an empty stomach.
Okay, I'll just have this one slice of bread and juice and then leave.
Deepu, you're not listening to me now. What I'm trying to say is, my child, your mom is insisting so much. Eat properly. Eating such a small amount will barely take some time.
Well, do you all still consider me a child?
Sons are always children to their mothers, okay?
Did you finish your breakfast, Dripto?
Dad, I would have left earlier, but Mom didn't let me.
I'm glad she did. It is not okay to leave on an empty stomach. What is it, Sanjukta? You did a good thing by not letting your son live without eating. But why do you look so low? Everything is all right? Did you not get enough sleep last night?
Yes, you're right. I couldn't sleep properly.
Mom, what happened? Are you sick or something?
I hope your brother is okay, not sick like you. Huh? Could he not sleep well? I don't see him at the breakfast table. Is he still sleeping?
Yes, he isn't well either. It won't take Deepu much time to eat. Will Vicky be able to detach the car's wheel in such a short time?
Listen, my head really hurts and the maids are busy with breakfast. Go and get me a medicine from the pharmacy nearby.
Deepu will take this car really far away. I will bring your medicines once I'm done washing the car.
Hey, the car has been cleaned. He won't complain. Go. Get me the medicine. My head really hurts. Oof.
Deepu is supposed to go to see a land today for the resort. Some place called Madhavpur or something. What if his car's wheel comes off on his way there?
No, Dripto. I won't be able to hear you call me uncle anymore. It would make me so happy. My luck is really bad.
Listen, who are you talking about? Do you even know me? If she really doesn't live here, then where did she come from? And that too late at night. And where did she even go later? What is going on? Did I see something wrong? Why does it hurt again? My head hurts like that only when I get visions and when something that is about to happen. So was it coming to the temple? An indication of something in the future?
Be right here, my child. The person will come.
The person that she was talking about? Will they really come to the temple? Who is that? Lourdes, what are you trying to tell me?
I can't find Nayan anywhere, father. Nowhere. Nayan.
Sister! What did you do, sister? Why did you leave us? If I could get to hold you once, I would hold you tight and not let go. Who will I share my personal things with now? Sister!
Oh, goddess. What did you do? Did Nayan really leave from here? Why did you let her go?
Sister!
Father, I can't find Nayan's sari either.
Oh, this is so good news. She has fully packed everything.
Thank Lord. The misfortune has left. There's nothing to worry about now. Let's go. Let's go home now. Father, let's go around and look
There's
for
no
her,
need
please.
for that. There is no need for that, Nan's mother. Stop looking around. Let me tell you something. That girl running away has saved your lives. Understand? Although you had a lot to say to me about the girl a while ago. But I have forgiven you. There's no need to look for her. You don't have to leave the village anymore. Let's go from here, everyone. Oh no. Why is mother looking at me like that? Does she doubt me? What did you do, sister? You left the village for our well-being. So that we don't have to leave our house. Sister, you ruined your own life to do good to us. Okay, if that's what you want, then we will do it. We will stay right here. We will never leave this house. Wherever you are, be happy, sister.
You're really hurt, aren't you, Kumu?
Why would I not be hurt, mother? Sister left home at midnight only for our well-being.
If she left at midnight or early in the morning, how do you know about it, Kumu?
Oh no, I trapped myself.
What? Answer me now, Kumu.
No. I mean, we got up early in the morning. Hence, I thought she has left at midnight. And ah! Mother, don't
Keep quiet.
Stop it! What are you doing?
I am doing the right thing, father. Hear me out carefully, Kumu. No matter how badly you want Nayan to leave this house, I am her mother. I won't let it happen. I swear by it as I stand here. Be it anyhow, I will find Nayan. I will find her. I will find Nayan. I will find her anyhow. Hey girl! Hey girl! Hey girl! Listen, people won't believe you. Did you really see an oil lamp lit at the temple?
Yes, Aunt. How will lying benefit me anyway? I heard the bells ring during the storms yesterday. I followed that voice and saw so many oil lamps at the temple. Believe me, I swear on the Lordess.
Maybe Lord wants us to start worshipping again. I am assuming you started worshipping at the temple.
Yes, and it with as many flowers and fruits I could find. That is all.
What did you do? What have you done? Do you want us to be a part of a curse? So many flowers and fruits are being sold in the market. Why are you greeting her with flowers and fruits from the jungle?
But will they even listen to me?
They sure will. I will vouch for you. Come with me now. Come.
Mom, please tell me why didn't you sleep? Okay, Mom, tell me something. Are you hiding some pain? Tell me honestly, it hurts me to see you in pain. Please tell me, Mom, please.
No, Dripto, no. I am fine. Your dad is right. I just couldn't sleep well at night. How could she sleep anyway? They had a meeting in Mother's room last night. I can't tell you about it. It was 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. They still weren't done talking. They kept talking. This was like a long marathon meeting. I really thought that nobody would show up for breakfast. Luckily, everybody showed up. This is what we call breakfast in the meetings break.
Meeting? What meeting? What have you planned? No, you were just saying it. Yeah, that's what. When I went into the room, everybody was up. And yes, Mom, you were also telling me that how you were discussing about the resort with Uncle. Am I right? So then what's Rangna talking about? What meeting? Mom, are you in some trouble or something? Is there an issue? Tell me.
Listen! Everybody listen! This girl is not lying. She saw oil lamps lit at the temple. Lord has asked to be worshipped. Don't think that she is lying. She has arranged for worshipping at the temple. We have so many fruits and flowers here. Why should she use fruits and flowers from the jungle then, despite us being here? If Lord's worship is so poorly done, then we will be part of problem. Give her material for the worship. The temple will be used for worship again. Give her the material, give her all of you.
Grandfather, you were right. Lourdes arranges for her worship material by herself. I'm really lucky to be able to worship the Lourdes myself. Uncle, Aunt, please come together with me for the worship. I won't let Lourdes be alone at the temple anymore. Hail the Lourdes.
Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord!
Deepu, your mother probably doesn't want to tell us about her problem.
Yeah, but I have to know, right? My mom is in trouble and I just can't sit idle doing nothing. Mom, please tell me what happened.
Nothing happened, my child. I would tell you if there was anything, right?
No, Deepu. Your mom won't tell you. I'm sure Rangana will definitely. Rangana, what meeting was this? In your mother-in-law's room? It happened for the entire night. Must be an emergency, right? Could you please tell me what exactly happened?
Telling Dad, the entire night there was a meeting going on and on and on.
My son had come to see me after having a fight with his wife. Talking him through it and sending him back to his room took too long.
Son? Wife? Mother, only one of your sons is married and I am his wife. I did not have any fight with Piku last night. Did Piku get married again? Does he have another wife? This is not done. Piku, you didn't even tell me. Who is that woman? I will not spare you. I won't stop until I make her eat a chili. I will show her. I am picking up the phone. Then I will see you all. Wait. Wait. Hello? Is it you, priest? My greetings.
Priest? He is calling? I'm sure he's done with Deepu's astrology then.
Yes, please come here soon. A lot of good food is cooked then.
Always talking rubbish. Give the phone to me. Yes, priest, tell me. Why is it? Is there some issue or something? As you say, I'm hanging up.
What happened, Mom? Why do you look so worried? What did the priest say?
The priest is coming. He will come home and tell us about Deepu's astrology. However, he said that he will only tell us once he is here.
Is it something that major that he wants to come home to tell us?
He probably would have found something wrong.